to match font in Adobe Photoshop. So this is a JPEG of one of my milestones from TubeBuddy that I downloaded. So I also want the type of font that I may use for this, the type of font that this subscriber word is. So I'm guessing it might be Purple or Inter or any type of font though. So, but if I'm not sure, so the way to match this font in Photoshop is to click your marquee selection to make a selection around that font. Go to type, then click on match font. Then what Photoshop does is that it uses its Adobe Photoshop AI, Adobe Sensei, to go to the internet and search for results. So it's searching for fonts that might match this subscriber's font, and we already have different results listed out here, which is the Verdana Regular, MS References, Corporate Regular. So that can see these are to match fonts in Adobe Photoshop. So once you've set the type of font you have, so you also go to your browser and search this font. Like now you want to download Verdana, you say Verdana font download, and you download it onto your laptop. Yeah, before I conclude this video, one thing I forgot to mention is that if you do not have an internet connection, this type match font download box will just keep on searching and will never give you a result, because right now it is currently using, I'm connected to the internet, so that's why I'm able to, so that way it's able to give me the result. But if I wasn't connected to the internet, it does not return back any result for me. So you have to be connected to the internet to be able to make use of this match font dialog box. That's how to match font in Adobe Photoshop. So I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Thank you for watching.